All right, welcome. As you probably have sussed out from the thumbnail and the description of the video, we are going to be making a electromagnet today for health and science reasons. So we have our 4 critical ingredients here. We have a 9-volt battery. It goes on there. A bolt and red wire. The color of the wire is not important, as some have suggested in the past. I've seen the responses. It doesn't matter if it's white, doesn't matter if it's black. Red is perfectly fine. It's a common misconception, actually, that the color of the wire indicates which way the electrons will flow. Untrue. I've taken some classes. It is not true. It is a common misconception. The red wire is going to work perfectly fine. I believe it is aluminum. Let's get started. All right, so first off, you're going to want to bite off the ends of these wires to expose the aluminum inside. I generally do it with my front teeth, so let's get going. You spit out the insulation. All right, there we go. You're going to want to twist these up. You want all of the power to flow in a cyclone throughout the system. I've been doing a lot of research on health, and it turns out that magnetism actually does reverse a lot of chronic illnesses, which I am suffering through right now. They recommend permanent magnets, but my thinking is, let's cut to the chase and we'll do an electromagnet. All right, so second verse, same as the first. We're going to bite off the ends of these wires. This will be where our electrons flow, and I'm going to give it a little nibble. There we go. There we are. A little more. That's more like it. There you go. If the camera will focus. There we go. Okay. Number 2. I'll do that off camera. All right, so off camera, I've gotten the looping going. It's kind of the soup of the day, health stuff. Magnets are all the rage. That's why I'm getting into this right here, just to kind of deal with some physical and mental things I've been dealing with. I think this might help me out here. Anyway, just continue wrapping this. My wife has been incredibly mad at me. I'm at my buddy's house right now working on this magnet. I think this might actually solve all of our problems. I've heard some good things on Twitter, or X, formerly Twitter, Reddit. You're going to want to do you're going to want to group the wraps really close together in order to make, according to the article I read, really close together. There's a suspicion that I'm bipolar or schizoaffective disorder. I think it's just a case of being me. But we're going to make this magnet, and it should sort of help us. I'm going to apply this to myself over the course of several days. There was a treatment that a quote-unquote doctor, I don't really, told me about that involved an electromagnet. And my thinking was, well, hey, I got all the stuff back at home. I could just put the electromagnet on my own head. Okay, so therapeutic electromagnet is complete. The next step is going to be to connect the, what do you call that? Well, sort of looks like a face, I suppose. Anyway, let's loop that up right now. So I've already bitten off the ends of this connector piece, and we're going to connect them just like this. My apologies for my thumb. I got a bit angry a few days ago and got in a fight with the wall, which is always a losing battle, so I've got a bit of a little boo-boo there. I've applied Neosporin. I do not believe in Band-Aids. But anyway, you want to twist these up really good. Twist it up real nice. And there we are. And I think we might be ready to test it out. All right, so right now the magnet is energized with a 9-volt battery. Apparently there used to be a B battery. You know how they go AA, AAA? Used to be a B apparently. Let's see what we got. So I've got some metallic objects here, and we'll see what happens. No. Okay. Bear with me, everybody. All right, upon further research, it looks like magnet therapy is not necessarily supported by the FDA. So I'm going to say go ahead and don't make an electromagnet. I'm not sure if those are a real thing or not. I mean, with our small experiment today, the battery is getting very hot. I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of burning my fingers. Yeah, so my failures are your successes. Do not make an electromagnet. I don't think they are a real thing. Anyway, though, like and subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications. We're coming up with more new content. We're going in a health direction now. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. Best wishes and have a great day.